every single day. People are on their phones. Well, let me tell you about how social media works. Most of you gets it wrong every time. You think people want your products and your service. You cannot be more wrong. Here's the thing about social media. It's simple. You've got to give what people want, and then you have to give them what they want. So for example, if they want to watch videos, then do a story-based video form of content. If they want to read something, then make an article, write something for them to read about. Make sure they are consuming your content. That's how social media works. Make it fun, exciting, and simple. Also short and sweet. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Before I forget, if you found it helpful and you're thinking, these guys are pretty good and I'd like them to do my social media marketing for me, then go to lumakidigital.com. That's lumakidigital.com. Thanks again for watching this video.